There are various approaches to prevent skin cancer, and they're based on the assumption that solar insult, right, photons from the sun, UV, are harmful to skin, right, which is true. However, we make vitamin D. So we were thinking about going beyond blocking photons reaching skin, right? And so we were looking into how a skin actually adapts to environmental stress. That doesn't have to be necessarily only UV. It can be stress induced by pollutants. It can be smog induced, right? So photo pollution. It can be arsenic, these kind of things, right? Environmental stressors. And so we came across Donna's great pathway, right? The NRF2 pathway that actually programs cells to defend themselves. And we found a way to trick cells into upregulating this pathway for protection against sun damage. So we actually we program cells to strengthen themselves to mount a defense against solar insult.
So our approach is let our skin cell to produce antioxidant response to quench all the damage and remove all the effect.
So we can either target skin only, that would be a topical approach, or we can do systemic protection by delivering this systemically, right? And then you can protect lung, you can protect kidneys against acute damage. Right? We're starting with the obvious lower hanging fruit, which is protection of skin against environmental insult.